First time cleaning my brush, so leftover color will not affect my painting.
I'm using black color here. Now cleaning it. I'm just cleaning it again, and now I'm going to add red color. See, you want me to show you from the close? You can see this is really a good texture. Look at this. Then this will be something different because we are going to make flower on it. And what color we are going to use, that is the most important thing.
Guys, if you don't have canvas, it is fine. You can use drawing sheet, but don't forget it should be thick.
This is the second piece.
So guys, already I had frame in my home, so I thought it will be great if I will put painting in the frame and I can show you. In this way, it will be easy to understand and you can look at yourself how it is. Thank you guys for your precious time, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon so you will be notified for all my future videos. Thank you once again.